What we learned about.
That's right. There are people who study the weather and try to predict where the fronts will form. All right, I think Harmony has the meteorologist word card. Would you like to put it up on our word wall for me? All right. You can stick it there, then you can stick it up there. There you go. So what do we say? Meteorologists are people who study the weather, and what do?
They predict it.
They try to predict it. They measure the temperature of the air at different places around the earth. They find out where the warm air is and where the cold air is. They measure the temperature with what? The temperature. All right, yes, they measure it with a thermometer. There's a picture of a thermometer. And Megan has our thermometer word card. All right, Megan, do you want to put that up on our word wall?
Yes, please.
This week we are going to be using a thermometer and we're going to be checking the temperature outside. There's this girl checking the temperature and writing it down on her clipboard. They want to watch to see where the air moves. They measure how fast it goes. An anemometer measures wind speed. And that's what we made. We made an anemometer to measure wind speed. Can you push that in without poking yourself? Okay. A wind vane tells from what direction the wind blows. A wind vane. All right, he has our wind vane card. And what does our wind vane do? Tells us the direction that the wind is blowing. So what do we mean by direction?
The way that it's
Yes, it would be like a compass. North, south, east, or west. It tells us the direction. Meteorologists also measure the amount of water vapor or humidity in the air. What is humidity? Jeremiah. You don't know what humidity is? Okay. I think Megan knows what humidity is. What is it, Megan?
I think humidity is when the air is a little moist and it's kind of hard to breathe it in because it kind of is like water.
You got it, girl. Humidity is the moisture in the air. So like when we go outside in the summer, it is hot and humid. It feels sticky. Sometimes it makes our hair go all crazy, but it is hot and sticky.
And
So we use a hygrometer to measure the humidity. That's right. And Bryce has a picture. Can you show everybody the picture of the hygrometer?
That looks like a clock.
It does look like a clock. There you go, Bryce. And this is a hygrometer. It's also got temperature on here, but at the bottom it says humidity. See that?
But that also
Humidity. This is the hygrometer at the bottom. This, yes. I'm going to walk around and show everybody this. See the hygrometer at the bottom? This is the temperature. So if we're measuring humidity, we're only looking right here. But it does kind of look like a clock, doesn't it?
Yes.
Humidity, and this is temperature. Right now, it looks like our humidity is probably about 52%. So the humidity
So it's 52 Mississippi and it's cold.
No, this is our temperature. It says it's about 72 in here. So that's our temperature. Our humidity is how much water vapor is in the air.
Can I measure outside also?
Yes, and we will take this outside. You see that measures the humidity.
But I have a question. Why
Okay.
is it so big? Like, why is it so big, like a pocket clock, but you only look at like a little bit of it?
Well, because this one has the temperature on the outside and the humidity at the bottom.